Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can repair your Bluetooth in the Motorola G13 when you can't find your Bluetooth accessory on this phone. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm starting from the simplest way. Just open the tab menu and hold the finger on the Bluetooth. Then go to the connection preferences and tap on the Bluetooth again. Then just switch it off and switch it on to reset the connection. At the start you have to be sure that the YouTube accessory is visible for your phone, and the most devices have something like a pair mode, and how to enable a pair mode you will find in the manual instructions. In my case I have to click 3 times this button and my headphones starting in the pair mode. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but not on your phone, you can try to just reset your phone by holding the power button and restart. If you have a restart option in your Bluetooth device, you can also try it. Then look for your device again, but the device is still not visible. You can go to the settings, open the system and choose reset options. Then choose first one and tap on the reset settings. Confirm it by this button, and now your network settings is resetted. So look for your device again, but if you still don't have your device on the Bluetooth list, try to update your system. In the settings, go to the system updates and tap on the check for updates. If you have any, just try to download it and install. Then look for the device again. And the last recommendation from me, if you have other device like a laptop or other phone, that check which of this gadget is visible for your phone and check with which one is a problem. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.